little learners. Are you ready to count? Let's count from 1 to 10. 1. 1 ball. 2. Quack, quack. 1, 1, 2. 3. Amel, amel. 1, 2, 3. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. You did it. Give yourself a big clap. Bye-bye.